Hello my dear friends, welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learn Spanish with Nits. This video is especially for the beginners who all are interested to learn Spanish with basics. So, this video will help you to know all the basics and the advanced greeting in Spanish. So let's start. No doubt we are going to master the basic course of Spanish. Empecemos. Here we'll start from hola, right? So hi, hola, hi, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Informal way to say how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está usted? A formal way to ask how are you. To an elder person you can ask ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? If someone asks how are you, so they really want to know your feeling. So it's a chance to practice your Spanish. To reply them, estoy bien, I am good, bien, good, muy bien, very well, estoy mal, I'm bad, not good, so, right? So next, ¿cómo te llamas? It's an informal way to ask, ¿cómo te llamas? What is your name? What is your name? ¿Te llama? ¿Cómo se llama? It's a formal way to ask, or to an elder person you can ask ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo se llama? So we can reply here Me llamo Nits. Me llamo your name. Me llamo Nits. Me llamo Juan. Me llamo Ankit. See? Okay. A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. A pleasure to meet you. Mucho gusto. If you want to reply, same here. Igualmente. Igualmente. Next. Where are you from? Where are you from? You can say in Spanish, ¿De dónde eres? It's an informal way to ask. ¿De dónde eres? And in a formal way, you can ask, ¿Dónde es usted? ¿De dónde eres? It's an informal way to ask, where are you from? ¿De dónde es usted? It's a formal way to ask, where are you from? And we can reply, Yo soy de India. I'm from India. Yo soy de. I'm from Argentina. See? Bless you. And you want to say bless you, you can say in Spanish, Salud. 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 Next. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Much obliged. Much obliged. Muy agradecido. Muy agradecido. Muy agradecido. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Le agradezco su ayuda. Le agradezco su ayuda. Okay, let's convert into conversation. Let's make a conversation in an informal way first, and then we'll make a conversation in a formal way. Let's convert into informal conversation. Hi. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I am fine, thank you. Estoy bien, gracias. I'm good, thank you, and you. Estoy bien, gracias, ¿y tú? Estoy bien, muchas gracias. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Same here. Igualmente. Thank you, gracias. Much obliged. Muy agradecido. Thank you for your help. Le agradezco su ayuda. Le agradezco su ayuda. Adiós. Okay, let's convert into formal conversation. Hi. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? Estoy bien. I am fine, thank you, and you. Estoy bien, gracias, ¿y usted? Pleasure to meet you. Mucho gusto. Same here. Igualmente. Same here. Igualmente. Where are you from? ¿De dónde es usted? I am from Argentina. I'm from Argentina. Yo soy de Argentina. Thank you, gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Adios. Conversation will help you to know a small Spanish, and you can make a small conversation with native and with your friends who knows Spanish. So now here we'll see some special phrases like thank you, gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Much obliged. Muy agradecido. Thank you for your help. Le agradezco su ayuda. Le agradezco su ayuda. You're welcome. De nada. You're welcome. De nada. Learn and revise what we have done it today, and I'll make the second video in part 2. There you will learn more questions and more replies, and you can learn Spanish better step by step. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Share this video. You can comment below if you really like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Learn Spanish with Nits. Adios.